Welcome to today's Explainer. I'm absolutely thrilled you're joining us because we're looking at something today that fundamentally rewrites how most of us think about success. We are unpacking the Millionaire's secret growth mindset. Now, if you've ever thought that building wealth is all about getting lucky, striking it rich overnight, or landing some massive six-figure salary right out of the gate, well, I have some great news for you. It's not. It's entirely about adopting a specific, deliberate growth mindset. And that is exactly what we're going to break down today.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here's our master plan for today. We'll start by shattering the wealth illusion, then move into automating your financial defense, followed by playing financial offense. After that, we'll uncover the true growth engine, and finally, we'll lay out your wealth blueprint.
We're kicking things off with Section 1, the wealth illusion, income versus mindset.
So what if I told you that two people could earn the exact same salary for their entire careers, but end up in completely different financial universes? Crazy, right? We always assume a high income is the golden ticket, but income alone doesn't actually guarantee wealth. It's what you do with that money that really writes your story.
And it usually takes about 20 years for this story to fully reveal its ending. 20 years. That's the time frame where we start to see a stark, undeniable divergence between two identical earners. In fact, you might be surprised to learn that most millionaires never even earned a six-figure salary in a single year. Why? Because time amplifies our financial habits.
And this brilliantly illustrates what happens when the dust finally settles after 2 decades. Person A, they become a millionaire, but person B is just buried under a mountain of debt. Same starting line, totally different finish line. The difference wasn't luck or some genius IQ. It was literally just the quiet, daily money habits they practiced along the way.
Moving on to Section 2, automating your financial defense, where we'll cover habits 1, 2, and 5.
All right, here's habit 1, and honestly, it's a massive mindset shift. The ordinary earner basically pays their landlord, the grocery store, and their streaming subscriptions first, and then just tries to save whatever scraps are left over. A millionaire does the exact opposite. They pay themselves first. The second a paycheck hits, a set percentage is automatically transferred straight into investments. They treat their future wealth like a non-negotiable monthly bill.
And that discipline feeds perfectly into habit 2, dodging the lifestyle inflation trap. You know how it goes. An ordinary earner gets a raise, and suddenly they instantly upgrade their life with a flashy new car or a luxury vacation, usually just to impress people they don't even really like. Millionaires avoid this entirely. Instead of buying status symbols, they funnel that extra income into investments to exponentially scale their future freedom. It really boils down to this idea. Real wealth is often invisible. We're just so conditioned by social media these days to think wealth looks like designer labels and exotic cars. But true wealth? It's the quiet investment portfolio, the real estate equity, the business assets. It's the freedom you can't actually see when you're walking down the street. So the crucial point here, and this is habit 5, is that to build that invisible wealth, you have to remember what gets measured gets managed. You literally cannot improve a system if you're blind to it. Wealthy people meticulously track every single dollar. They know exactly what comes in, what goes out, and what goes to work. That tracking gives them absolute control over their financial destiny.
Let's move to Section 3 and see how this builds into playing financial offense, covering habits 3 and 4.
Now, habit 3 is where the magic of compounding really takes the wheel. Most of us are used to just trading our time for a paycheck, right? But with a growth mindset, you make your money work for you. Think of every single dollar as a tiny, dedicated employee. The millionaire's job is to put those employees to work in index funds, businesses, or real estate, so they generate returns day and night, even while you sleep. But to actually win on offense, you have to deploy your capital strategically and avoid the landmines. Which brings us to habit 4. Millionaires are pretty much allergic to bad debt. Before ever swiping a card, they ask themselves one ultimate filtering question: will this help me build wealth or simply increase my expenses? This one simple filter eliminates the high-interest consumer debt that destroys so many financial futures.
Next up is Section 4, the true growth engine, focusing on habits 6 and 7.
Now, what's really interesting here is that the most lucrative investment self-made millionaires make isn't actually in stocks or real estate. It's habit 6. They never stop learning. They relentlessly invest in themselves. We're talking reading books, listening to podcasts, absorbing educational explainers, and mastering new skills, because they know that upgrading their own personal value creates earning potential that money simply cannot buy.
And they pair all that continuous learning with one absolutely vital metric: 10. 10 years. This is habit 7, and it's the ultimate time horizon for people building real wealth. Because here's the thing, an ordinary earner usually has this fixed, short-term mindset. They're constantly asking, how can I make money this month? They're chasing quick riches and instant gratification. But a millionaire, they ask, where will this decision put me in 10 years? They rely on consistent, patient, long-term decisions. For them, patience isn't just a virtue. It's quite literally their greatest financial advantage.
Finally, we arrive at Section 5, your wealth blueprint.
The biggest takeaway for us today isn't that you need millions of dollars in the bank right this second. It's understanding that financial freedom is basically just a formula. Step 1, make small, smart decisions. Step 2, repeat them consistently over time. And Step 3, just watch them snowball into extraordinary results. Every dollar saved and every unnecessary purchase you avoid brings you one step closer. You absolutely do not need to be born rich to do this. You simply need to build the habits that successful people practice every single day. So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a direct challenge for your own wealth journey. Which millionaire habit are you going to start today? Seriously, don't wait for tomorrow. Pick just one, start right now, and I promise you, years from now, your future self will be thanking you.